Welcome to the all-new, brand-new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 ZR2. The ZR2 truck's powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the ZR2 Silverado, power windows, locks, and mirrors, memory seating, Bose audio, drivability dial, trailer mode, push-button 4x4. Vehicle is equipped with automatic headlights, your fog lights, heads-up display controls. We do have a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters on the back side. Push-button ignition now available. You have over a 13-inch large touchscreen using the Google operating system, Google Maps, Google Assistant, and Play Store. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay both available. And the ZR2, you have your independent locking differentials there, your rear and front electronic locking differentials. You do have your integrated to the braking system, heated and ventilated seating, dual zone climate, shifter knob now in the center for the Chevrolet trucks. We have that beautiful two-tone interior with the red stitching, signature for the ZR2, and the beautiful leather heated and ventilated ZR2 Silverado seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the ZR2, we do have the ZR2 18-inch wheel and tire package only for the Silverado. We have the Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires, very aggressive tread. We have fender flares over front of the wheels, wheel arches. We have blacked out door handles, keyless entry, ZR2 badging on the front fender and 6.2 liter on the hood. The ZR2 does come with that factory lift kit as well up front, making room for the big wheel and tire packages. Bumper cuts as well to allow those tires to grip onto the objects in front. Signature red tow hooks, ZR2 branded grille. You do have the flow tie, the right through flow tie, brand new on the truck. LED daytime running lamps, turn signals as well. You do have LED fog lights, crew cab, rear tinted privacy windows. Coming down to the back side of the ZR2, we do have the step ups in the rear bumper, blacked out bumper with trailer tow package and rear parking sensors, and you have your Silverado ZR2 branded tailgate. Jumping back into the interior here, second row, our leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are heated and car seat ready, and seat storage feature as well. A sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top with LED lighting, single pane sunroof. You do have your 3-stage heated seats as well as USB ports. This is a crew cab truck, so tons of room in the back of the cab. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado ZR2. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.